He's seen very much as mirroring Ben Bernanke's views. He's the vice chairman of the FOMC, so he never really dissents, and he is out with a very strong defense of the Fed and Bernanke's comments, saying basically the markets got this wrong. And here's a quote that a lot of people are going to focus on today. There's been talk about QE. Well, he says if labor market conditions and the economy's growth momentum were to be less favorable than the FOMC's outlook, I would expect that asset purchases would continue at a higher pace for longer. Now, that's important because his forecast is a little bit less optimistic than some others, saying 2013 growth will be about what it has been, although growth should pick up notably in 2014. And disinflation does remain relevant, although he agrees that it may be temporary. But he goes on to say the labor market still cannot be regarded as healthy. So Dudley saying that at this point, if you think the Fed is necessarily going to start QE at the end of this year, you're probably wrong. And he takes strong issue with the idea that the Fed is going to move up its tightening, raising interest rates anytime earlier than mid-2015. He says if that is your outlook, such an expectation would be quite out of sync with both FOMC statements and the expectations of most FOMC participants. So the message from Dudley today: you've gotten it wrong if you think that we're going to start to see tightening anytime soon, Sarah.
So here's my question. The why. Why is he doing this? Is it because he's reacting to what we saw in the markets post-press conference, or is he clarifying the Ben Bernanke comments that he gave to reporters and in the statement during the last Fed meeting?
Well, I can't really speak to his motivations, but the way you could read the speech is that it is the latter, that he's responding to the reaction in the markets since Ben Bernanke's comments, because he first lays out in the speech what Bernanke said and then said some points need elaboration here, in sort of suggesting that maybe you didn't get it the first time we told you.